Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I was getting a lot of messages from all of you to create the Larimar effect. I stopped making them because I thought people are getting bored of it, but to my surprise, so many people like this effect, and so here I am. So this time what I'm doing here is I'm not using casting craft. I am using these colors by Resin Pro, and the resin I'm using here is craft resin. It's a low viscosity resin, and I thought why not give it a go. So in this cup I have 60 ml of resin, and I have added around 4 drops of white into it. So I'm just mixing it into the resin now. So later on I added 3 more drops into the white, so a total of 8 drops into my white, and it's 60 ml of resin. So for my experimentation, I really can't go simple. I thought why not add something to this white. So here I'm adding this interference mica into the white. So this much is going in the resin. So now on to the second color, and for my second color is going to be black. So I will be adding around 3 to 4 drops of black. So mixing my color here. And for my third color, I will be going for a red. So this red is highly pigmented, so I want to add it slowly. Although it's the same company, but some colors are less pigmented and some are very high. So I need to check this. So I think I have put only 3 drops of red into the resin here. And in this cup I have 30 ml of resin, and for my other cup I have 40 ml of resin, the black one. And just checking my colors again, and now I will be starting the process, starting off with the white. So here I'm adding my white into the mold, and this mold is from Art for Start, and she creates amazing molds. You can find her page on Instagram by the name of Art for Start, and there is a website from where you can buy these molds. So I'm just pouring the resin into the mold. And now for the black resin. This is my second color, and pouring into the center directly. And onto the third color, it's red. And after that I will be adding rest of the resin into the center. It's the clear resin. So I was given a lot of ideas from all of you, and some of them were not to use this clear resin at the end, or doing the reverse technique by using the colors first and then the white. So I think I will be trying them soon. One of them I did tried, and I will be sharing the results very soon. So it's all done now, and for center I will be using tiny golden nuggets that I have. These are crushed one. So it's all done now, and now is the waiting time, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and I'm so excited. You can see the back. Now let's see what's the front look like. And this is my mold here, and let's see. This is how it turned out, and I really can see the interference mica that I added to the white. It's giving its glimpse, and again you will always get different results with this technique, and always it's so surprising to see. So I can see the red and black mixed together, creating a beautiful pattern. So it's really fun, and I always enjoy making these. I think I will never get bored of these. So this is the final look, and I just really love the design and effect we get with this technique. It's so amazing. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.